everywhere, man, looking for someone who can please me, love me all night long. I've been everywhere, man, looking for you, babe, looking for you, babe, searching for you, baby. Where have you been? 'Cause I never.
So guys, this is where we are. Today is 1st of January and we are at Barracuda Beach located at Okun Aja Road. So today we decided to come and spend the 1st December, 1st January, oh my god, my mistake. Our 1st January here, and to me, I don't like going to beach when it's crowded. I never knew there would be a lot of people here. This Barracuda Beach, quite inside a place in Okun Road. To my big surprise, the place is so filled up. I've visited this beach before. It's not always crowded. Most times I visit this beach, just few people, and I like the comfort and the serenity and everything. But today, it turned out that the whole Lagos decided to visit this beach. But you know, girl, we have to just do our thing, enjoy the beach, and then that's all. We also came with our own phone. We came with Lido game and a card to play, in case, as if we knew ahead of time. But most times when I go to beach with my friends or my husband, we always go with Lido, or we always go with our own phone. So here I won the game and it was fun. Most of the game we played, I won. Yeah.
Is your last card?
Twenty minutes later.
The way you are dancing, me like say they don't give you breaks back. I'm a piano number down there, give breaks back. I'm a man with the
You can wait still now.